In this video, I'm going to take you through the process of running a survey in Appogee HR. Surveys can be used to help you understand employee sentiment and satisfaction. To start, go to Culture, Admin and Config and set up a survey template. There are 3 default surveys available for you to use, or you can create your own. Once a survey template has been published, you will not be able to make any changes to it, but you can duplicate it and edit if you need. Give your survey template a name and optional internal notes, and head to the Content tab. This is where the survey sections and topics are created. Each section can be set up with a different answer group. 3 of these have already been created for you, but you can add your own from the config page. Once the section has been created, you can then add your topics. Create as many topics and sections as you need. You can also customize the welcome and complete messages, which will be shown to employees when they complete the survey. At this point, you can save the template and it can be used in the future on an ad hoc basis. However, I'm going to continue by setting this up to run on a schedule. On the Audience tab, you can select who will be asked to complete the survey and restrict anyone you do not wish to participate. On the Options tab, you can customize more specific elements of this survey. Finally, you can set up your schedule on the last tab. Once your survey template is complete, it will be saved in draft mode. At this point, you can edit any of the topics, sections, and other settings before you publish the template. As mentioned earlier, you cannot make changes to the template once it is published, so it is important to review the whole draft before you click Publish. If you'd like to send your survey manually, you can do so by going to Survey Responses and then click Create Survey. You can either choose a template or even create an ad hoc survey from scratch. Once the template has been selected or survey created, you'll go through the same steps as before, reviewing the content, the survey audience, and additional options before selecting a trigger date. You'll be able to review the results of your survey from the Survey Responses page.